Good morning, children. Today I will be teaching you The Merchant of Venice, Act 1, Scene 1, lines 1 to 22. Before I begin teaching you, let me give you a brief summary of what the scene is all about. Now, in this scene, you will be introduced to few characters like Antonio, Crescenio, Celerino, Selenio, and Bassanio. Now, in this scene, you will come to know that Antonio is in a melancholic mood. He is in a sad mood. And we do not know the reason why he is sad. Whereas his two friends, Celerino and Selenio, they will be guessing the reason why Antonio is sad. We will later on come to know that Bassanio needs some money and he wants to go to Belmont to marry Portia. So here in this scene you will be introduced to Portia also through Bassanio. She will not have a direct introduction to us, but she will be introduced to us through Bassanio. So Bassanio will come to Antonio asking for money, which he wants to take and go to Portia and be the best suitor for her. When Bassanio goes to Antonio asking for money, Antonio says that he does not have a ready cash at that time because all the ships are on sea. Until they don't return, he will not be able to give him the money. So but Bassanio can go and in Antonio's good name, keeping Antonio as a guarantor, he can go to any money lender in Venice and he can ask the money that he needs. Now, this is all that you will be doing in this scene. So, in this scene, a quick recap, you will find Antonio in a melancholic mood. You will have Celerino and Selenio guessing his sadness. You will have Bassanio asking for money. He will be giving us the reason why he needs money. And you will have a light-hearted character, Crescenio. This scene will take place in Venice. As said to you earlier, Venice is a place of commerce and trade. So you will come across the kind of trade or business that the Venetians do. Now, Venetians are the people who live in Venice. They are known as Venetians. So the trade of Venetians will be seen in this scene. You will also come to know that the melancholic nature of Antonio creates a mysterious atmosphere in the story. It creates a suspense among the readers that why is Antonio sad? Why is Antonio in a melancholic mood? So now we'll begin the scene. Scene 1, Venice, a street. Enter Antonio, Celerino and Selenio. Antonio, in sooth, I know not why I am so sad. In sooth means in truth. In reality, I do not know the reason why I am sad. It wearies me. Now, wearies means tires. It tires me. It is sadness. My sadness tires me. I am tired of my sadness. You say it wearies you. You, Celerino, you also say that you are tired of my sadness. I am also tired of being sad, and you also also say that you are tired of my sadness. But how I got it. It over here again refers to sadness. How I got this sadness. Why I am sad. How I got this sadness. Found it. Where did I get this sadness? Or came by it. Came by it is picked by it. How did I pick this sadness? How did I get this sadness? What stuff tis? Tis is it is. Made of. Whereof it is born. What kind of sadness it is? Where did I get it from? How did I get hold of this sadness? I am to learn. I need to learn. I need to find out how I got this sadness. I need to find out the reason of my sadness. I have to find out why I am sad. And such a want wit. Want wit means dull person. Sadness makes of me. This sadness has made me a dull person. This sadness has given me a dull appearance, a dull personality. That I have much ado to know myself. Ado means trouble. That I have much ado to myself. I am facing trouble in recognizing myself. This sadness, I do not know from where I have got. What is the reason of my sadness? I do not know. This sadness has made me a dull person. And because I am now a dull person, I am not energetic as I was earlier. I am now a dull person. So that is troubling me, that I am not able to recognize myself. What I was earlier, now I am not like that, and that is making me a very disturbed person. That is disturbing me. I am not able to recognize myself. I am finding myself as a changed person. So I am not able to recognize why I am sad. I am not able to recognize myself because of this sadness. Celerino. Your mind is tossing on the ocean. Now children, before I explain, please mark Celerino's speech as important. That will be giving you the reasons that he is guessing why he is sad. Your mind is tossing on the ocean. Tossing on the ocean, you can write the meaning. Mind sways up and down like the waves. There will be where your agroses are large ships. Agroses mean large ships with portly sail. Portly means puffed up. Puffed up sails like Cygnus. Cygnus are fat merchants. And rich burghers. Burghers are citizens. On the flood. Flood is sea. Flood means sea. Or as it were. As it were will be perhaps like. The pageants of the sea. Pageants means show. Of the sea to overpeer. Overpeer means surpass. the petty traffickers. Now, petty traffickers will be small trading ships or small ships. Petty traffickers will be small trading ships. That courtesy to them. Courtesy means bow. Bow to them. Now, to them over here refers to the big ships of Antonio. Big ships of Antonio. Do them reverence. Reverence means show respect. As they fly by them with their woven wings. Woven wings means sails made of silk. So, now Celerino says in this speech, your mind is tossing on the ocean. Your mind, your concentration, Antonio, is right now on the sea. It is with your ships which are sailing on the sea. Your concentration, your mind is on the sea right now. There where your argosies with portly sail, where your rich ships are sailing. Your mind is with the ships where they are sailing on the ocean. Like Cygnus and rich burghers on the flood. Now, he compares from here his ships. He describes the ships of Antonio. He says that your ships, Antonio, they are like fat, rich merchants. They are like fat, rich merchants, as it were the pageants of the sea. They are like fat, rich merchants, and they are like great show on the sea. When your ships are sailing on the sea, they create a great show. People love to see your ship sailing on the sea. They are creating a great show, a wonderful scene on the sea. So your mind is on the sea with your ships where they are sailing. And your ships are just like fat, rich merchants. They are, when they are sailing, they are creating a great scene on the sea. Do overpeer the petty traffickers, that courtesy to them, do them reverence as they fly by them with their woven wings. Your ships, when they are sailing beside the small ships, at that time, these small ships, they bow before your ship as they are passing by Antonio's big ships. As these small ships are passing by Antonio's big ships, they are making a show of respect. Last three lines I'll explain again, children. It says over here that as this Antonio ships are passing by the small ships, it seems that these small ships, these small merchant ships, they are bowing before Antonio's ships. They are giving respect to Antonio's ships. They are giving respect by giving way to Antonio's ships. So in the next video, we will be proceeding with the rest lines from line number 50.